after the death of popular Nollywood actor, another veteran in the entertainment industry, Amaechi Muonagor, has been reported dead at 62. According to reports making rounds, Muonagor was said to have suffered kidney failure and was on dialysis. The sudden news of his demise comes just few days after a viral video where he solicited funds to help him have a kidney transplant. A social media influencer who made a post of his death, Monu wrote, "Deeply heartbroken by the news of Amaechi Muonagor's passing. He was a talented Nollywood actor whose presence on our screens was truly masterful. We watched with concern as he battled health issues, offering whatever support we could to help him seek treatment in India. This tragic loss highlights the need for better healthcare in our country." Muonagor was a native of Idemili, in Anambra, was born August 20, 1962, he was an actor and producer. In 2016, he was nominated for A.M.V.C.A.2017 Best Actor in a Comedy. May his soul rest in peace.
The movie working I have a malum cause that you try. If I never call them more, and the man of Casona and London can come. Yes. Because